case had been filed by the families of two women who died in childbirth and the Center for Health, Human Rights and Development, CHAD, against the Attorney General in 2011. The complainants argued that non-provision of maternal health services in Uganda violated the Constitution. The Attorney General argued on preliminary objection that issues relating to health rights were political questions and a matter that the judiciary had no authority to address. The Constitutional Court agreed with the state's objection and dismissed the case. However, today's ruling struck down the Constitutional Court's judgment, and that means the original case can now be heard on its merits.
The petition required them not to review or analyze or implement the policies in the health sector, but it required them to inquire into the inactions and omissions which violate the Constitution of Uganda.
In appealing to the Constitutional Court ruling, the family members and CHAD argued before the Supreme Court that the failure to provide the basic maternal health services to pregnant women in Uganda was a human rights issue that the Constitutional Court had the mandate to hear the case. According to the activists, the judgment gives women an opportunity to access justice when suffering from lack of access to basic maternal health services.
So I think the Supreme Court has really seen that the Constitutional Court was trying to run away from its obligation, and it has restored that really problem. Because if the Constitutional Court could run away from interpreting the Constitution, then no other court is mandated to do that, and that in effect it would mean that then the Constitution cannot be interpreted by anyone.
This is a landmark decision that makes opportunities for access to justice for victims of health rights violations in Uganda limitless. Irene Namialo, NTV.